Hello traders, it's time for the summary of the day. Today is Tuesday, the 17th of February, and today we had two live trading sessions and I've opened basically three different trades. We had some stop loss, and we had some take profit, guys. So I want to share with you what we did during those live trading sessions. We're gonna start from trading journal. You can see this is account which I'm using for live trading sessions, and every single trade is open during live trading sessions or according to the plan from live trading sessions. At this moment, we are $43,000 in plus since 12th of January, so it's pretty good. Let's have a look at this account, and I'm gonna go to the trade history today. You can see I've opened three trades. One is stop loss on GBP USD. One is take profit on crude oil and one break even on gold. We had another plan on gold, but I missed the trade. I was too late to enter the position. Sometimes it's happening like this, so don't worry. I'm still in plus. So today we are in more than $2,000 in profit. So let's have a look at GBP USD. That's the last trade, but I've hit stop loss. I defined nice zone, nice order zone right here together with volume level. That is very important. Without volume level, I wouldn't enter the position, okay? But we had nice volume level in this area. Also, there was a gap and imbalance on the chart from previous days. I decided to enter the trade with very tiny small stop loss, and that was mistake. Usually it's working, but today it didn't work. And my risk to reward was 1 to 4, and I've hit stop loss on this one. That's okay. Not too much more, a little bit more than $2,800. But sometimes it happens like this. I'm looking for re-enter the position when the price will get into liquidity zone, and I'm gonna look for failed swing, maybe nice reaction. I will try to re-enter this trade, but with lower risk, maybe with the risk of $1,250 for this trade. Okay, the other one, let's have a look. Gold. That trade was also pretty good. Risk to reward 1 to 5. The area was pretty good, I can say, but the price went a little bit higher than they dropped somewhere around this area. So we had 1 to 2 risk to reward. The trade was secured on break even. So I was expecting that we're gonna get full take profit. Basically, the price get to this level, but first they went up. They cut me out, so I hit break even in this place, and then they drop to this area. So unlucky, but because I've secured the trade on break even, I didn't lose any money. And the best trade of today was on crude oil using order flow. And this trade, we nearly hit stop loss because the price reversed. I've entered the trade somewhere here, and you can see the trade was open and the price was heading to my stop loss right here. I was in loss minus $2,000, but finally the price went up, and I got full take profit on this trade, profit of $5,000. So I think it's pretty good today. Let's have a look at the account today. Let's have a look. Last 24 hours. Okay, we're showing also trades from yesterday. It doesn't matter. So GBP loss of $2,800. Gold break even, and crude oil $5,000 in profits. So I think it's pretty good result. Of course, we can do better, but tomorrow is another day, so we're gonna look for some more trading opportunities. Guys, I want to also show you some trades from Tomek, because Tomek he had a morning session. And he was expecting, this is GBP USD, for the price to break through, re-enter this cluster zone, and on top of rotation channel from higher time frame. No, sorry, he was trying to set order for reaction at the target. I can see target right here. So yeah, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but I don't think the price got to that level. The price went down, so He couldn't use that plan. We can have a look at the chart. Let's check GBP USD and the price. No, the price went straight down. So yes, guys, I'm gonna look for the trade somewhere in this area. After maybe failed swing, I'm gonna try to open my position. I'm still looking for that, maybe for another 30 minutes. Okay, what's next? Next trade from Tomek. That plan was made on Euro USD, and it was saying that we should get to the target and reaction at the target. Let's have a look. GBP. No, we didn't get to the target. Unfortunately, no. The price reversed before that target. So this target is still valid. Maybe we're gonna use it tomorrow. That is not a problem, okay? And the next one here, Tomek, gold. Tomek had good plan on gold right here, but I think the price went a little bit higher and then they drop. Not sure if Tomek used that plan. I was a little bit late because I was waiting for the price. I'm gonna show you that. Okay. We had target from our strategy right here, so I knew the price would drop down. I was waiting just for the retest. Okay, so the price went through, and I was waiting for the retest for the nice bearish candle. And I was waiting for a nice bearish candle, and look what happened. The price just dropped down, so I was too late. When I realized that they are going down, the price was somewhere here already. So it was too late for me. Maybe if this candle was looking better, maybe like this, I would enter the position. Maybe like this, I would enter the position, but sometimes it happens. So guys, another, I think, good day for us. Yeah, that was the first trade. Okay, another good day for us. This week we got more than $12,000 in profit at this moment, and it's only Tuesday, guys. So we got another 3 days of trading. Tomorrow there's not much in microeconomic calendar, so we're gonna have plenty of time to look for some good setups. And yes, I think it's okay. It's okay. $12,000, $12,389 so far this week. Okay, in total we got like let me have a look. $43,333. Okay, it's not showing on this account because I'm making payouts every month. Okay, so we cannot see the full amount on over here. So yeah, guys, good day. Tomorrow hopefully it's gonna be much better. We're gonna find some more opportunities on the market. We're gonna use few different strategies, maybe all in ASAP, smart money concept, price action cycle, order flow, imbalance, orb, because tomorrow probably we're gonna have our live trading session a bit later. So yeah, we got few different strategies, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna find some good setups. Okay, guys, for now, that's it. Thank you for today. Thank you for being with me on our live trading sessions. And guys, if you want to join us live, we are on YouTube every single day from Monday to Friday. So you can join live trading session on YouTube at 9 a.m. And later we got some internal live trading sessions, and you can join them on Discord if you are a part of community. If not, just contact us and we will explain you how you can join our Discord channel. So that's it for me. I'm off for today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care.